Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, a clever fox and a wise stork were good friends. They often met and shared stories, enjoying each other's company. One day, the fox had an idea and thought of playing a little trick on the stork. He invited the stork to his home for lunch. The stork, feeling happy and honored, accepted the invitation and arrived on time. The fox had prepared a delicious soup and served it in shallow bowls. He began to lap it up quickly with his tongue, while the stork, with her long beak, struggled to take even a single sip. She tried her best, but all her efforts went in vain. The fox pretended to be very polite and asked, "Why aren't you eating? Don't you like my soup?" The stork understood the trick, but chose to remain calm. She smiled politely and replied, "Oh, it's delicious. I just don't feel very hungry today." Hiding her disappointment, she thanked the fox and went home hungry. A few days later, the stork decided to teach the fox a lesson. She invited him to her home for dinner. The fox, thinking he would enjoy a grand feast, happily accepted the invitation. When he arrived, the stork welcomed him warmly and served soup in a tall, narrow-necked jar. She gracefully inserted her long beak into the jar and sipped the soup with ease, while the fox, with his short snout, could only sniff the delicious aroma, but couldn't take a single sip. The fox now realized how the stork must have felt at his house. He lowered his head in embarrassment and admitted, "I now understand how you felt when I served you soup in a bowl. I'm sorry for my trick." The stork smiled kindly and said, "It's always important to treat others the way we want to be treated." From that day on, the fox learned his lesson and never played tricks on his friends again. Moral of the story: as you sow, so shall you reap.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.